So as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be putting y'all on some game, you feel me? I'll be teaching y'all step by step how to DM girls on Instagram. It's not that hard. If you just follow these simple steps, 9 times out of 10, it will work, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with all your friends trying to get to 100 subscribers, you feel me? Hey, yeah. Without further ado, let's get into this hoe. Basically, what you gotta do is, you always need to look up the girl you wanna DM, right? So, you go on her Instagram, go into the DMs, and like, you wanna start off smooth, right? You wanna start off smooth. So, like, my perfect line is, the one I use the most is, nah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What I actually do is, I turn off my phone. I just don't DM her.
Oh!
Don't DM her. I'm trying to save you. You feel me? I know y'all wondering, what the fuck? Like, what? Huh? But, the reason why I'm telling y'all this, now you're probably wondering, what the fuck is this nigga talking about? I'm like, here's the reasons why. When I DM a girl that I know from school or that I know from somewhere else, you feel me? Like, it just goes to show that you're not confident enough to like go up to her in real life, you sort of shit. You DMing her is probably just gonna give her the impression that you is not confident enough to approach her in real life. That's L number 1. L number 2, she probably has 10,000 other dudes in her DMs that you're in competition with. Once you send that DM to her, she just gonna think you one of those niggas just wanna fuck. Women love mysterious dudes, right? There's nothing mysterious if you just DMing her out of nowhere, you feel me? You sending her a DM just screams, I wanna fuck, you feel me? Once you send her that DM, there's nothing special anymore. Like, there's no mystery, there's nothing special about you, dog. You're just somebody who just likes her and wants to get to know her. But then, bro, she ain't got nothing to do with that. What she gonna do with that? You're not attractive to her anymore. First of all, you sending her DM your horny ass. Second of all, you got hella competition with other dudes who are way better than your ass. Bro, I promise, dude. Like, bro, these women out there nowadays, they get niggas with blue checks in their DMs. You think you're gonna win against them? Of course not. The chances of you failing is very high. I know y'all can on this video thinking that I'm gonna be like putting y'all on game and stuff, but most, like, purely and truly, the only time you should be DMing a girl is when she's literally asking you to indirectly. Like, her liking all your photos and her, following you out of nowhere, her replying to your stories, shit like that, you feel me? That's like the only time that you have priority to do such stuff, you feel me? But I would never, ever, ever advise anybody to DM a girl, because if she's not giving you, like, signals, DM me, you feel me? Then I don't think you should do it, because it's just wasting your time. She's gonna leave you on 2 hours undelivered. You know, like, and this is facts. This is real pure facts, bro. I would never lie to any of y'all, you feel me? Because a lot of niggas be like, bro, just DM her, send her a DM, blah, 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 and like, compliment her, do all this bullshit, you feel me? And it's not gonna work, you feel me? It's not gonna work. Yeah, nigga, I mean, I'm just being 100% honest with y'all. Don't DM a girl if she's not asking you to DM her indirectly. Don't DM a girl that you can't be asked to see at school. Don't DM a girl if she's at your school. If she's not looking at you, like, or even if she's like looking at you in school and stuff, approach her in real life, bro. Because there are so many dudes who don't want to approach her in real life and like choose to DM her on Instagram because it's less confronting, you feel me? So trust me, dog, like, you're gonna save yourself a lot of embarrassment by DMing her, because at the end of the day, we all know, bro, girls be screenshotting everything nowadays. You're probably gonna get your ass be stuck in those female friend groups and stuff on Snapchat.
This nigga DM me. Oh my gosh, he sits in my school. He ain't.
Well, you know that. So yeah, don't do it. It's really wasting your time. Shit. That's what I have to say, man. Peace out.